Okay, so today we will talk about simple future tense. Mean all the future tenses we will discuss. First of all, we will go for simple future, and we will go for the definition of simple future, and then we will go for the structure. As usual, we go for the other tenses. Simple future tense. Why do we use simple future tense? It shows an action which is going to happen after now. After now mean now is the present time, and after now is actually called future. So all those actions which you are going to do or which are going to happen after now, so for that we are using simple future tense. For example, we say Ali will go to school tomorrow. So Ali will go to school tomorrow. So what does it mean? That he will do this action after now. It means he will do this action tomorrow. Likewise, they will play cricket on Sunday. So for the Sunday, they have a planning and they will do some kind of action. Mean after now, like they will play cricket on Sunday. He will eat dinner tonight. So he will eat dinner tonight. It does also mean that showing uh, the action which will happen after now, like the sun will rise tomorrow at 5:15. So we also talk about the action which will happen after now. So whenever you are talking about an action which is going to happen after now, for that we are using simple future tense. And after now, whenever we are doing action, so in that we have a planning. Whenever you are talking about your future plans, so for the future plans, we are also using simple future tense. Like I have some planning for this Sunday. So my planning for this Sunday that I will get up early in the morning, and one of my friend has a marriage, so I will go to his marriage. So what I will get up early in the morning. This is one planning, and second, I will attend the marriage party of one of my friends. Then I will visit Islamabad after his marriage. So this is mean that I will go to Islamabad. Then these are the planning. Also, I have planning for this Saturday afternoon. So this Saturday afternoon, I will play cricket with my friends. And Saturday night, also I have a planning that I will prepare my lecture for the next week also. So all these are my planning. So whenever you are talking about your future plans, so for the future plans, we are using simple future tense. It is also used to talk about predictions. Prediction means you are going to talk about the future in advance, but you don't know exactly. You are going to predict only on the certain basis. For example, sometimes we go out of our room and we see a very dark cloud in the sky. So we understand from that cloud that it is going to rain. So what we say? We say it will rain this afternoon. It will rain tonight. So we give actually predictions. Like sometimes we see a person and he's having a lot of food in front of him on the table. Maybe he is eating all their food, maybe he is not eating all their food. But we are predicting actually, we are giving our prediction. So we say that this person will eat a lot today. So will eat a lot today. Maybe he eats, maybe he doesn't eat, but we predict. We give prediction because that he has a lot of food in front of himself, and we feel that he will eat a lot. Maybe he will not eat a lot. So likewise, sometimes we see a person and he's having a lot of books in his hand and he's going to the riverside. So when he is going to the riverside, so on the riverside, the people do two things, especially in our area. Whenever the books are old, so they take the books and throw it to the river. And sometimes they go to the bank of a river and they study there those books. So I am going to give my prediction. One can come true, one cannot come true. Like suppose my prediction is that he is going to study a lot this afternoon. But maybe he's not studying, maybe those books are old and he threw it to the river. So what this is my prediction actually. So simple future tense is used to talk about an action which is going to happen after now, and the action which are going to happen after now that are going to be future plans, or maybe that are going to be predictions. So for both of the purposes, we are using simple future tense. What are the structure of simple future tense? So structure of simple future tense are very easy. First of all, you will go for the affirmative structure. In the affirmative structure, you have subject. After subject, you will add will. After will, you will add first form of verb and then complement. You can see Ali will watch TV tonight. If you are going to change it to negative structure, in the negative structure, you will also add not after helping verb after not. Like we have subject cover its own place, will its own place. We insert not, then first form of verb, and then complement. No any other changes are there. Only insertion of not is there after will. So Ali will not watch TV tonight. If you are going to change it to interrogative, so as usual, in interrogative, you will change the place of subject with the helping verb. Will come first, and subject will go back to the place of will. The rest of the structure will be copied. Like first form of verb with the first form of verb and then complement at the end sign of interrogation. Like we say, will Ali watch TV tonight? So short affirmative answer is he will, and short negative answer no he won't. We will go for the negative interrogative formal. In the negative interrogative formal, also you will bring will to the beginning of a negative structure. So it will become negative interrogative. So like we say will plus subject, we change the place of these two, then not come on its own place, first form of verb, then complement, then sign of interrogation. Will Ali not watch TV tonight? Short affirmative answer is he will, and short negative answer no he won't. Negative interrogative informal. In informal, you will bring not along will. Both will come to the beginning. Mean you can see will then subject then not, and here we have will not then subject. Will and not both will come to start, then will subject. Then first form of verb, then complement, then sign of interrogation. So won't Ali watch TV tonight? The short form of will not is won't, and you will always use in a negative interrogative informal the short form, the contracted form. So will not short form is won't. So won't Ali watch TV tonight? Short affirmative answer is he will, and short negative answer no he won't. Contractions, he will, sorry, there is a mistake, but let me explain that like he will short form is he'll, she will short form is she'll, it will short form is it'll, and I will short form is I'll, you will short form is you'll, we'll short form is we'll, and they'll short form is they'll. The have pakitaso, you cannot use have and has. It will not be added with it because it is future, simple future tense. There is a mistake in it. And will not short form is won't. Have is not the part of this. And then we have to use will actually. So you can use will with all the pronoun. Like if it is singular name, it is plural name. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. With all of them you will use, and then it will be followed by first form verb. If you have any question, you are free to ask a question about it.